Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the touchscreen. Tap the car icon, then open Controls and go to Driver Profiles so you can manage stored drivers. You need the vehicle in park and your phone key or key fob present to verify access, because Tesla locks profile edits when driving. Once the profiles list appears, identify the name you want to remove. Make sure it isn't the active driving profile. Switch to a different profile if necessary. Then tap the profile to reveal edit options before moving to deletion. You select the target profile and open Manage or the three-dot menu to find Delete Profile. This removes saved seat, mirror, steering, and key associations. Confirm the delete prompt deliberately because it's irreversible from the car interface. Once you confirm, the system will delink any paired phone keys and clear preferences. This may take several seconds. Make sure to check for any paired keys under locks afterward, because sometimes keys remain linked and must be removed separately to fully revoke access. You finish by verifying the profile no longer appears and that saved keys are unpaired in the locks menu. This ensures the person can't access or drive the car. If the profile still shows, perform a quick touchscreen reboot by holding both steering wheel scroll wheels until the display restarts, then recheck. If a phone key still grants entry, remove it from your Tesla account or the mobile app to revoke access. This step is the final safeguard when deletion from the car doesn't cascade to cloud-linked keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.